What's up, guys? We're back in Tinkercad for the daily build. Let's see. Yeah, if you're brand new to the channel and brand new to Tinkercad, go back and watch part 1, part 2, part 3, whatever, and follow along with everything that we build here. So we're still doing Halloween themed stuff, and because it's not Halloween yet, and I think it's going really good. We've made some cool stuff already. So I want to first point out a tip that I got from a subscriber in the comments, Melted Metal Matt. So thank you for this tip. He said he saw a video where someone was making their own cutout shapes and saving them so they could kind of grab them quicker and use them when they're, to speed up their building process. And I was like, oh, that's such a great idea. I'm surprised I've never done that, but I do know how to do that or how to save shapes. So let me just show you how simple it is. So let's just quick make our own custom cutout tool. So let's just take a sphere. I'm going to take a cone. Let's make it a little bigger because I want to make, well, actually, I'm going to leave it kind of small. Okay, let's just tip it. Sure. Okay, let's plop it over by the circle here. And we'll show you what we're going to do. I guess we could center it. I probably wouldn't even have to. Okay, there we go. And yeah, we could just center it. Okay, so let's make this one a hole, because let's cut a hole into this sphere. Okay. Very simple, very fast. And there we go. So see, we have this shape here, and all we have to do is turn it into a hole like this. And under your shapes over here, see, you got your categories of shapes, your favorites, and look, you can do your creations. And once it loads very slowly, look, I started saving some cutouts already. Oh, I should have spun this one. I can't see where it was. Whatever. So just go to create shape. So make sure you select the one that you're saving and just hit create shape and give it a name. I'm going to name this one the sharp cone cut. I'm just naming it something that will make me remember what it is. Dang it, I should have spun this. I wish I could right here. Can I? Oh! Yay, I win! Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, save shape. This is cool. Yeah, Melted Metal Matt came in with the tip. That's awesome. So see, I'm going to make more. Oh, it didn't. Oh, I wish it was aimed at me. I might change them. I think if you want to, I think I should have spun it a little first like this and then saved it. Kind of like with these, I can kind of see what type of a cutout it is. So see, I have well, is it going to bring it up? Yeah, there it is. See, I have one set of cutout shapes like this where it's more of a big dip, So it's really cool. Like, I love this idea. But I won't use these custom cutouts a whole lot on my videos on this channel because the viewers aren't going to have these same ones built. So I might not use these too much on the videos because then I'd be using stuff that the viewers don't really have. Let's leave this one out because we might use this one today or one very similar. Let's grab the regular cone cut also. So this I call the sharp cone cut, and this is the regular cone cut. See, this one has a curved cone, and this is the sharp cone. Hey, yeah. Well, you guys already seen the thumbnail, so you know what I'm building already. And I barely know what I'm building. We're going to do a black cat, a Halloween cat. So like an arching, you know how they arch their backs way up? I think that'll be good because it'll be kind of easy for the printer. Okay, let's go back to basic shapes and let's get started. So thanks again for that tip, Melted Metal Matt. I think that's really a good idea. I could see myself saving a lot of shapes to use. It wouldn't even have to be cutouts. You could save other shapes that are useful. Oh, I can already think of one. Oh, you know what? we're going to save one today. Yeah, stick around. I know one that I use all the time, or not all the time, but I use it often, and I always have to do it again. We're going to do it right now. Okay, so we're going to make a Halloween cat. Okay, we're only 5 minutes in. That's okay. So I always have to make animal paws. And like when I do a new like dog or cat or something, and I don't see why I should just make a paw and then save it as a shape, you know? We'd be in business. So let's just whip up a really quick paw because these are going to be really small. So let's not spend too much time on the paw. So look, I'm just hitting duplicate on these squished, these are kind of squished spheres. Oops. Ah, I didn't even have the, oh no. Wait, can I still crank them up? Yeah, I probably can. Okay. See, to make them smoother, you want to crank up this little bar. I've complained about it before, but it should just be cranked up already. Okay, there we go. There's the four pads of the paw. This is going to be really small, so we won't care if it looks, I mean, it's already awesome, so. And, okay, let's see how fat, it's kind of fat, so, or tall. Let's do that. Let's do this and this. Okay, let's put it up in there a little more. Ah, that's cute. Okay, and if we were doing real crazy details, we could make claws sticking out too. Just so it's all set to use, let's drop it down a little bit and cut the bottom off. Yeah. I'm going to be so happy just to have this in my saved objects. Okay, so we can cut the bottom off by taking one of these cutout blocks and pull it down under like that, and it'll cut it off perfect. Okay, let's group it together. Yeah, we got a paw. So this is super basic paw. And you know what? We're going to save it. Your creations create shape. Okay, name the shape. Paw. It takes, I've noticed it takes, oh, there it is. Takes a little bit to render it. Did I put it backwards again? I'll have to remember that. Yeah, it's probably going to be backwards in this, the way it shows it. See, these, good thing I have the different names. Ah, that's fine. I can see it's a paw, but see, there it is. That's wonderful. Okay, we are cruising. Even though I gave that explanation at the beginning, we're still doing good. Okay, we're going to find a way to use our cutouts because I think we're going to need them because making this curved cat shape is going to be weird. I don't want it to be realistic looking. It's going to be real kind of cartoony or artsy, very basic, not a lot of detail because we can't have it take 11 hours. We only want it to take 9 hours. So what if I honestly have no idea. We have to start doing stuff. Let's tip up. I might actually use like a big ring for the shape of it. Yeah. Isn't that weird? See, that's the thing about Tinkercad. You have to use some kind of shape. So you have to visualize what things could be, you know. So I'm picturing this is going to be the body of the cat. Yeah. Oh, this is even better. Okay, so picture this, the arched back. I like it. See, he's going to be, what does this do? Oh yeah, we want that. Okay. See, there'll be some angles and stuff on him. That's fine. That's what I mean. It's going to look artsy. Should we smush this in even more? Let's see. What else could we do that could help us? Worse. And now I screwed this up. Okay, back to 3. Okay, let me quick check what like a smaller number will look like. How about 2? Actually, that might be better. Yes. So see, here's the big arch of his back. So what we're going to do, let's just snip off this whole big under part of the ring. See how we could just quickly cut that off? Okay, groupage. There's our cat print. It looks like a inchworm. No. So here, why don't we should try one of our cutouts. Because you guys seen how to make this anyway. Yeah, let's try this. So see, like, if I don't want that big end on there, look, I could even stretch it to change it, which I'm going to do. Here, watch. Let's just see what happens. Let's put this, yeah, let's put this up in there. Look, it's eating it. Why am I so amused by this? Okay. Am I doing stuff? Is this doing stuff? Yeah. Okay, that's sticking below. Let's go up a little bit. Okay, so see, we're going to cut like a cone shape on the end of this. Does this make sense? Let's go up a little more even. Oh, yeah, these cutout shapes are going to be awesome. Okay, and let's duplicate this and pop one over here. Look, you can just hit mirror to flip it, and then hit this arrow. And we're going to pop one right over here. Bam! Okay, watch this. Here we go. Let's group. Groupage. Let's see if it cuts 2 cones. Yeah! Hee hee! That's great! There we go. Proof of concept. Our cutout shapes work. Our saved cutouts. And see, when I'm just cruising trying to make something, usually I have to make the cutout shape that I want at the time. And now I don't have to. Okay. Oh, I should have like centered them or something. I just realized. Here, let's go back. Oh yeah, duh. I should have looked at it from over here. Let's just slide them over so it's even. There, see? There. My bad. I should have looked at it. There. Oh yeah, beautiful. Now, see, here's the arch of the cat body. It's perfect. So we'll have his little legs sticking out of here, maybe. We have his paws. Here, look, under my favorites, another thing you should use is start saving stuff under your favorites. So if there's a certain shape you find, click the star next to the shape, and it'll save it in your favorites. I already know before it loads. Let's check out this hyperboloid to make his legs. I don't really want to just make straight, perfectly straight tubes for legs, you know? The legs will not be very long. Come on now. Okay. Okay, let's grab this hyperboloid, whatever that word means. Like, why do they have to call it that? Okay, I have no idea if this is going to be awful or what. Let's just try and see what happens. Okay, let's do this. And then let's grab, do we group this? I don't know. Wow, this foot is huge. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Let's just whip up something like this. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna spin the foot out because we gotta fit two. I want two that are really close to each other. We're just gonna cruise. Is that okay? Let's see, is this spun enough? Hold on, let's spin this a little more because I'll show you. I kind of want... He can be pigeon-toed. Is that when your feet stick out? Weird. Okay, I'm just going to do that. What color is this? Whatever. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's duplicate this. Slide it over. Duh, what? I totally selected everything. You guys saw me. I'm going to look at that footage. Okay, and let's flip it, or I mean mirror it, so it, you know, see it puts it like this. Okay. Yeah, kind of like this, I guess. I kind of wanted them really close. Well, that's fine, maybe. I don't know. They're going to be so small that it's probably not going to matter. So let's just visualize. These are really... Let's just group them for now. We can cut the tops off of these. That's probably what we're going to have to do first. But why don't we just check it out first? Don't do that. Okay, let's spin them. How about let's make this bigger? Sometimes it's better to make it bigger to work on, you know. This is probably going to look like some of Alien Cat. Okay, let's just have a little visualization if the little feet will make sense down there, you know. Yeah, I think so. I love it. Okay, let's... I think it's going to work fine. Oh, I love it. Okay, we're just going to roll with it. Don't worry if something looks kind of stupid right away. That just means you're doing it right. Good. Or something. Okay, let's line these up and then let's slide. Oops, we only want to select the feet. Let's duplicate them and slide them back. We're cruising. Only 17 minutes, and I gave that whole, hey, oh. Now, let's see. See, we got to see where to place these. Because we're going to make a tail, too, of course. It looks so funny. Yeah, I love it. It looks really funny. Okay, would the tail have to come like boing? Okay. I think I know how we're gonna do the tail. Oh, this is hilarious. Okay, I just had an idea. The back feet, are these all grouped? Okay, let's ungroup the back feet, and we could change the shape of them probably a little bit because the back feet are longer on a cat. You know, what if we just do this? Oh, I should have just grabbed both of them. Haha, this is funny. Hold shift to select multiple items, and let's stretch these out a little bit. Oh, it's funny. There we go, maybe. Now it looks a little weird. Let's get back in there. And let's ungroup these. And let's we got to rearrange these toes because by stretching it out, we're getting these toes looking kind of weird. They'd be more like front, like facing forward, like I don't know. Okay. Let's see. I'm just trying to see. I don't want this one sticking out too far. Or should we make it smaller? Whoops. I just squished it. It's because I was holding the wrong button. This one just looks out of place. Okay, that's much better. Yeah, look at the other one. See what I mean? Uh, Look, let's just go like this. Just delete that one. Because now we like this one. So let's duplicate it and slide it over and flip it around with the mirror. And that's okay if they're smushed together a little. Yeah, that's fine. Like that's fine. I'll have to remember. Let me just get rid of this. I'll have to remember to cut the bottom off. Looks like I got a little more detail work to do. Look at this. A little goofy. It's okay. Let's not worry about that right now. There. Now he's got. Geez, I think the back feet are better looking. Now I like the back feet better. Oh. The back feet look better. Oh, jeez. Cheese. Okay, ungroup. Foot. And foot. And delete. Don't worry, I won't waste too much time. Let's bring these feet up. Oops, I didn't mean to grab the legs. I guess it don't matter. There. But okay, yeah. Let's I like the shape of these feet better, but the front ones should still be smaller. So let's shrink them down. Oops, I guess we should leave yeah, we got to shrink everything. Let's shrink these a little bit. So we must still have some crap in the way. Is that his toes? Oh dear. I didn't select his toes, did I? There we go. And hold down shift and it'll uniformly shrink your stuff. Okay. Just put it over there. Let's eyeball it so I don't have to hit the align button. Crap, I have to. Okay, let's just align them front legs. Oh, I didn't have them grouped. I can't align them until I group them first. Cause see, it pushed them all together. That's what happens when I try to cruise. So I'm gonna group the legs and feet together first, and they become their own solid object then. Hey, I think this is looking pretty cool. I don't know if it's going to look like a cat, but it's going to look like something. Some kind of creature. Okay, and now we can select both of these and align them. And it won't screw us up. There we go. Okay, now these have to get pushed back in here a little bit. There. Okay, let's cut off that extra that's sticking out. There's extra stuff sticking out. Weird. This might be just a goofiest looking creature. I just don't know. I have no idea. I hope it looked good in the thumbnail. Because I have not seen that yet. I haven't seen it yet. You guys are from the future. Okay, so what we're going to do is just chop off these, the tops of the legs. Right? So we got to select these legs and select these legs. There we go. Can group it. This is funny. Oh my goodness. Cat dog? Does this look kind of looks like cat dog? That'd be a fun model. Anybody heard of cat dog? It's a cartoon. Okay. What are we gonna do next? Wait, why didn't they cut that off? Is there 2 sets? I was right. Look, there's an extra leg in there. Is there one on the other side? Yep. Haha. Delete. See? Oh, what do you guys think? Is this a kitty? You know what? We're gonna make a cheap, easy. Let's make a tail using the drawing tool. I guess I should have. Let me go back. Did I even point out? Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, I went back to the cauldron. Oh, no, I'm really... I guess don't use that arrow. My goodness, what is... I really screwed that up, didn't I? What? Wah. Wah. Uh-oh. I broke the internet again. This is not how it's supposed to look. Let's do a little refresh. Okay, we're back. Oh. Jeez, that was a mistake doing that. Okay, delete. Okay, I just started clicking stuff so fast, I should explain what I'm gonna do. So see, here's the scribble feature here. You can kind of draw shapes, but only you're very limited. So I think we can make kind of a big old tail floofing up over it. So watch, grab the scribble tool and set it down. There, and now you can draw kind of like a 2-dimensional shape and then stretch it up. We might have to try this a couple times, but let's see. Oops. I'm going to start down here so I can really... I thought we'd make a very fluffy tail like this. I'm drawing with my mouse and it's awful. I hate it. Okay, and then I want to make it kind of connected on these lines. Let me just go like this. I'm just winging it here, guys. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So hit done. Okay, so see, we have this tail shape. So far, it's pretty sweet. Let's make it Mondo. I think this is pretty cool already. Here, let's make it dark blue. One thing we could do, so see, we can flip this tail up there and it's going to look great. But I just noticed already, it's just so blocky. So let's do some cutting on it. Kiki, can you stand somewhere else, please, and look weird? Wow, now you look really weird. Okay. Is there another set of feet? No, okay, never mind. Okay, see, we can delete our cutout tool now because it's saved. It's saved, yeah. Okay, you can hit F to center things if you want. Okay, so let's trim this baby down a little bit. Here, probably easier when it's smaller. So right where it connects to the base of his body, I think would be kind of weird to have it so thick right there. So why don't we just chop it down a little bit? So let's just put this cutout block at an angle. See, like this. Less of an angle. Okay. Yeah, we might as well get the whole tail in here. I likey, I likey. Okay, we could go up a little. Okay, so I'm just kind of... We don't need it tilted as much as I thought. Because we're going to put one on the bottom too. Okay, there. That's what I want. And then what we're going to do is make a copy of this block. Oops. And move it down. So see? But let's also flip it with the mirror. Oh, that's right. The mirror image only flips this way or this way. Right? Oh, that'll work. I don't know. I'm losing my brain. So see, now we got one tilted the other way. And we'll just bring her on up. Okay, and now we'll kind of check if it's how we want. I'd say a yes. Honestly, I want a little bigger connection point. So, oops. There. Okay, so let's see if this worked. Okay, group. Okay, 30 minutes. We're still doing good. Uh oh, we still have to make a head though. Look at how cool this tail is, guys. Whoa, whoa. See, we did it. So which way do we have to flip it? This way? We're just going to use this no matter what, because we don't have enough time. Okay, let's do it like this. And let's make this big. Okay, let's bring the kitty back in. Whoa, 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 come on now. Kitty, is it combined? I should just combine the dang cat, look. Just combine the cat for the love of everything. Actually, if I'm going to combine it, I might as well cut the feet flat. Did you notice some of the... There's a little bit of stuff sticking under his feet? Come on. There. So I'm going to quick trim his feet off, and we'll just combine him. So that whole part, his feet, legs, and body are done. Oh, I hope this turns out good. It looks like we're okay so far. I don't know where we're going to put the head so it doesn't look like a scientific anomaly. A chupacabra. Okay, well, I don't want to wait. So let's start aligning this over here. I hope it kind of, like we can tilt it and stuff. Oh, I hope I don't have to redo it. I'll just keep making it bigger. Ha 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 ha, yeah. Did this look good in the thumbnail? It better have. Okay, let's tilt this down. Hey! Yeah, is this cool? I think it's cool. Look, we can even, I don't even have to align that. I'm just going to eyeball it. If we had it connect to his back there, it would actually probably help the print. This is going to be hard to print anyway because there's overhangs. Should I have it connect to his back a tiny bit? It would probably help the print out. There, see? You can turn it to a hole to see if it's connecting. See how it created that little dark spot there? That means it's touching right there. Make sure it's not sticking out here because that might look weird. Know what I'm saying? This is funny. Okay, let's make sure it looks good from all angles. I think it's fine. We could use one of our cutout tools again on the front of this. I'm just going to leave it for now. I think it's kind of cool looking. Oh dear, now we got to do his head. Oh, that's not good. He's going to look weird. Okay, do we just have the head sticking out straight? We're going to have to cruise because... Alright, I'm just going to make a cat head and we're just going to make it not very detailed. I'm just going to cruise. Okay, let's make some cutout ears first. So let's hit duplicate on a cone and slide it forward. But we'll hit hole. There we go. I'm speed running now. And back because I want it a little taller. There. We're speed running a cat head. Beautiful. And let's make this bigger so we have more to work with. Yeah, fat head. Okay, here's an ear. See how quick I did that? Okay, okay, spin it. Bam. Down a little. Done. And duplicate. Slide it over. We'll do the mirror image. We're cruising. Kitty. There we go. Let's do triangle nose. We'll do like a bridge of his nose. How do I do it? Like this? No. Wait. What does a cat's nose look like? I have a cat. Duh, he's always up here bothering me until I need him. Have I spun this around? Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, how about keep it simple like that? That was not, gee, I did the ear so fast. Why did this other take so long? How about some little poofy cheeks? Let's check it out. Cats have kind of a little bit of a poofy face right here, don't they? Okay, sure. Let's duplicate that and slide it over. Oh, I know what we might be able to do. Let's duplicate it again and turn it into a hole. Let's do a let's do a little bit of a bridge of his nose cut, maybe. Am I doing stuff? Okay, let's you guys could see how this could take forever, so you could spend more time. Oh no, I forgot to select his nose. I don't think that's gonna look good anyway. What if we made it long? Or how about some dents where his eyes would be? There. Okay, let's combine them. It's gonna print really small anyway, so that's not so bad. It's really not that bad. I feel like we just need we just need to fix that bridge of the nose a little bit. The nose is the worst part. I don't know about these cheek things, but we'll just pretend they're supposed to be like that. The bridge of the nose. How can we fix that? Can we literally just we can't just fix that with this, can we? Because the bridge of the nose looks weird. You know what I'm saying? See, that already looks better. Especially if we have it purple. Should we get rid of the stupid... Wow, we have a lot of crap going on already. Should we get rid of this one? I never did like that triangle. And is this something we can stretch down? We can stretch it up and then move it down. This is funny. I think that's already going to be better. Okay, group. We gotta stop. I gotta stop playing with this. You can see how, like, trying to make actual realistic models. Can you just imagine? Can you imagine the amount of time you'd have to spend just slowly changing stuff? Wow, I didn't even realize. Did I? Oh, I like it. You know the spheres that cut these dips right here? They also cut the ears off right there. We're keeping it though. I like it. And then, do we have to do one last thing? Because we have to make him look like he's mad a little bit, right? Whoa. Uh-oh. We broke the world. What happened? Edit scribble. It like broke. So let's do like a little... I just want to do like a shape like that as a cutout. So I guess this one's going to be a little longer. That's okay. I should be able to edit a little bit out when I was futzing with his head so long and not really doing anything. So what I was thinking is just do an eye cutout. Oops, not that way. So like, you know, like he's angry, like, because he's doing the arch back thing, which means he's pissed. He's not happy. So I was just thinking, oops, we can have like a little slanty-eyed, yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay, let's drop it down a little. Yeah, this is what I mean, dudes. Okay. 1, 2. That's enough. And let's bring it over to the other side too. We just have to mirror it with that. Flip it around. We'll just visualize it. It's about in the same spot. Beautiful. Okay, let's group it. Oh, look, it's grouping the whole cat. Oh, goodness. Okay. I thought we had grouped the whole cat together earlier. Finally, now we can put his head on there, and I think we'll be about done. Yeah, we trimmed his feet off already. If we wanted, we could spend more time working on his face. Like, you could put little holes in here for where his whiskers would stick out. Ooh, you know what'd look really cool at the end? If you had little holes in here and you glued in little pieces of fishing line. Monofilament fishing line sticking out. Ah, ha, ha, that would be cool. Okay. Head. See, it is grouped with the body. This is great. Okay, where should we put this head? This head looks a little too small. That's too big, but let's just put it up here. Oh my gosh, hey! This is looking great already. I'm proud of us. We better center this one, so I'm proud of us. It hasn't been an hour. I'll try to get rid of a little bit of that, We got to make sure we center the tail too. Let's center everything with the body. Is that correct? Let's make sure the feet look good. This is actually pretty awesome. Now, we just have to make some decisions because we can really change the shape of his head now. Like, we could do, like, tall head. Oh my gosh, he looks funny. We could do squished head. Smaller. We could make it tilted. I think it's going to look kind of cool tilted up a little bit. Right? I like that. This is great. What if it's tilted down? Like he's looking at another cat? Ooh, I like that even better. Okay, now how far do we want his head sticking in? Where do we want it? Right. Oh, here? Just kidding, that was a joke. It's got to look like he's got it kind of scrunched back, like his neck is scrunched back. His face is so funny. It's not that bad. Okay. Oh god, these cheeks are so funny. Are these like overkill? He doesn't have a mouth either. We're leaving it. We're leaving it. Okay, let's do one last check. Everything's fine except... Is this no longer touching his back? I thought the tail is touching... Thought we had it like that. We must have moved it a little. Okay, nothing's sticking through. Okay. I'm like in denial that we're done. We actually got done? Oh, here's a little janky part that on the tail that sticks out. I'll cut that off quick, off camera. I can't stop looking at this. I have a love-hate relationship. I think it's great. Let's zoom out a little bit. See, the farther we get away, and dude, if we print this thing kind of small, it's probably going to look fantastic. Maybe. Well, let's print it out, and we'll find out. We'll see you in a minute. Yay! There we go. It's awesome. Look at how funny looking he is. See, his face doesn't look so weird. Yeah, because once it's printed, it doesn't show quite as much detail. So see, he looks awesome. I will explain my struggle. So I removed all the supports already because it was very difficult and I didn't want to waste so much time. So I did the 100% dense tree supports, and it like encased him because of this tail. See how the tail needed supports all up in here? It like encased him. Look at, this is how it made the tree supports around him. And since I did him 100% dense, these were solid. So I had to like break him out. He was like loose in here. This was all covered. He was like loose in there and he could wiggle, but he was trapped in this cocoon of supports. So yeah, I guess I won't always do 100% solid tree supports because you could get your thing stuck in there. So I guess I will use my judgment. When it's really coated like this, I will use less density so I can break them off, you know. Yay! Anyway, I think he turned out really good. Look at, oh, he's really cool. A great addition to our Halloween collection. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll keep posting a video every single day. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.